Assalamualaikum everyone, what is going on here at RSL? In this video we are going to talk about RTC tool. You can remove MDM lock any Samsung MTK devices using RTC tool. So I will show you how to register and how to active your tool, and you can easily bypass MDM lock without any problem. So first you have to download this tool from here, and if you need to download from desktop unlock, you can download here from here. This is a MDM lock, like when someone coming for remove, if you try to software, if you try to reset, it can't successful. So you can easily remove using RTC tool. So I will explain how to use, how to active. So first you need to download. So I have already download from here, as you can see. Okay, I need to download, and I'll show a step by step after download. So I already download, as you can see. This is a RTC tool. Now wait a few seconds, I will show you step by step. This is a very good tool for everyone. This is an online tool. Need few minutes for run. Must be connect internet. So if you have a user password, so enter email ID and password. So I don't have, because I am new user. So I click here. Now I need to put my name. Okay. Just wait a few seconds. Keyboard. 𝐧𝐨𝐭𝐢𝐤.com. Remember, not use fake Gmail ID. If any problem, you will can't recover it. That's why use real ID, which one you already use in your mobile. So like that, remember, RASELM36@gmail.com. Okay, need to password. Okay, now click register. Register successfully. User pro pending list, please contact reseller. Okay, now you need to active. How to active? Go to desktop unlock and search RTC. Go to desktop unlock, and I will show you. Click dashboard and click order now. I'm a service and RTC. Okay, this one. Okay, now you just write same email address, which one you register. So like that, I submit my serial number RASELM36@gmail.com. So like that you submit. So now, as you can see, I submit like that. Okay, so wait for complete. After, you can use easily this tool. So I will show you step by step how to use. Now I go to my Facebook and I will show you. Now you can see how to use. This is lock inside MDM lock, and one already done, and need to open back cover and wait a few seconds. Open. I just show you. Select model, select MDM unlock. Okay, wait a few seconds. I just show you, then you'll understand easily how to use. Then when you try to use, will no problem. As you can see, this is a inside lock, inside MDM lock, so need to back cover open before work. So remove like that, and need to connect test point. So must be connect test point before work. You already know how to bypass MI account and how to bypass some Hawaii, like using test point. So like that, use test point and after connect, and already done. So like that you can active. As you can see, now done within few seconds. So using RTC tool. As you can see, wait a few seconds for run. Now you can see, now you can see I just show you, then you will understand easily. Okay, if not remove, how to remove? Now you can see it's very easy. Okay, now you can see is done. And if coming like that, sometime if not successful, so need to up and how to do it, just follow this video, then you will understand easily without any problem. Just format. As you can see, it's working. So after done, if coming like that, so must be one time factory reset using button. So I hope understand how to use, how to bypass, how to remove MDM lock using RTC tool. And if you need to active your email ID, so go to best of unlock, you can order from here without any problem. I hope like this video. If like this video, please like, please subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, please the bell icon, never miss another update. After 10 hours, now back to website, and I need to check this is a pending, so just reload, and yes, it's active, done. So now I back to open RTC tool, and open. Wait a few seconds. I will show you step by step. So remember, must be connect Wi-Fi, then you can work without any problem. Here mode support, also you can bypass Vivo and Samsung devices and more devices, Oppo, like that. Now put your email ID. RACLM36 @gsembl.com and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 30 40 60. Okay, click login. Alhamdulillah, and now successful to log in my account. And now how you can remove MDM lock any Samsung devices, MTK devices, only MTK devices, will show on maybe Qualcomm after. Now select here and click service, and here have more option for remove lock normally. Okay, and Vivo also you can remove. As you can see, this is Vivo. Okay, and 20 and up MDM lock and MDM lock 2019 and MDM lock like this model. And you can change IME, you can change demo. Okay, Vivo devices. Okay, this is a Oppo and Realme. Click here and you can direct unlock some devices here, and also you can remove MDM lock. Okay, this is a Huawei ID you can also, and this is a bootloader, unlock permanently, relock like that. Okay, now select Samsung. Now as you can see, this is a Samsung. Select for Knox and select for MDM lock. Click here, and when click here, just connect with test point, automatically done. After done, just reset your devices with button. And this is a part, maybe this is a some more devices. So I hope understand, or more devices supported, I will inshallah show you step by step. So I hope like this video. If like this video, please press the like button. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.